Hi ladies! Okay, so we made it into the hotel. This is the last night that I'm going to have small boobs. I got this button-up pyjama top and matching bottoms from Primark because they say you can't like lift stuff over your head afterwards. So I'm just making this video to let you guys know that we're okay. We made it through the snow. It was a little bit of a nightmare though, wasn't it? Because the screen, what are they called? Screen jets didn't work. So I had to keep like chucking a bottle of water, like squirting it outside the windscreen. So that was annoying because all the salt was on the roads. And yeah, so we've just eaten dinner. We had Italian. Matt's like very comfy and drunk. Are you drunk?
Food drunk.
Food drunk. I love you. So yeah, we're just here. We are just relaxing. I thought I'd be a lot more nervous, but I don't know. I've just kind of got to the realisation now that this is what I've wanted for so long and there's no point worrying about it. Matt wanted me to do a quick video though, just to kind of tell myself like all the things that are going to happen. So like, I think day one, you're either going to love them or hate them, and they're going to be right up high and they're going to be really heavy and it's going to be really weird. And then by like day 2 or 3, I spoke to the nurse yesterday and she was like, literally you're going to have like the baby blues with like all the adrenaline rush that's now gone, and also the medication, you're coming off that as well, so you may get a little bit tearful and a little bit like, oh my god, what have I done? What other things was I talking about? Just general well-being really, and just kind of worrying about if I'm going to like them or not. Yeah, how's your tea? I made Matt tea.
It's good.
You're good. Your UHT milk. Yeah. Okie dokies. Well, yeah, this is my little update. I'm going to update again whenever I can. So, you know, guys, please be patient because literally I'm going to struggle to hold a camera. So I'm going to try and vlog those as much as I can in the hospital. But yeah, I hope that I won't be too kind of like out of action. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to me for free to follow my journey. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye ladies.
Bye.